Had to stop at the truck stop, get some breakfast. I mean truck stop breakfast. I'm talking steak and gravy and potatoes and toast and jelly and fried eggs. Gotta do it. Maxwell, he done had his little bit. Look at him standing there thinking he'll get some more. Maxwell. Good. Alright, where the rest of mine? Ed is enjoying himself.
That's right. This ain't no McDonald's.
Alright.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at that big Coke down there.
Look at that big Coke. He's ready to roll.
I'm about ready to ride to New York. Non-stop.
Cutting that steak.
I gotta get the fire curtain. There's about to be some fire going on there.
Continuation at lunchtime.
I don't think I'm the only one that turned up a plate. Boy, look at that chicken fried steak. They trying to be modest. I don't holler, there's nothing left in that plate, boy. That chicken fried steak there is cutting. I ain't gonna say it. Bought a lot of trouble. Almost down for the can. Where them hash browns at? Gone. Where's that 2 fried eggs? Gone.
One.
Yeah. Alright, so we're enjoying a good breakfast, like I say, here at the Kia truck stop at exit 148 and near Vero Beach, Florida.